Okay, we are at Parc Soleil, Hilton Grand Vacation, room number 10902. Here comes our luggage. Woo! Okay, let's go in. This is our vacation club. We love this. So 1-bedroom suite. We can cook here. We have silverware and we have glasses.
Cups.
Cookware. A toaster. Derek gets me mad. You can bring the luggage in. We work on this table and we actually, what else do we do? We eat it. I'm tired. Coffee. Full size. We have a full size fridge. Nice little seating area here. Oh, a non-connecting room. You gotta love that.
There you go.
Laundry. It's a laundry room. We always do our laundry right before we leave too, so I have nothing to do when I get home. So this is gonna be Faith's bed later. Nice big TV. And we have options to rent movies, and Faith already picked out the movies she wants to watch. What is it?
House with a Clock in its Walls. I still haven't seen it. So.
Well, you will.
Yeah.
We got an extra pillow. This bed is so comfy. Nice chair to sit in. We have a nice big TV in our room. Nice big mirror. Closet. Oh, there's the blankets and stuff for Faith's bed.
DVD player out here too.
Yeah, I know. We already said the movie. Let's see which bathroom we get. Here is the shower. I love the shower. It's got the double sprayer. Double sinks. Ceiling fan. Big important thing. This tub is, oh, so nice. And the water comes out of the ceiling. We get little bath bombs. Faith will take a bath, or I'll take a bath. And we have a separate bathroom here, which walks right back out into the kitchen. And I see Daddy on the balcony, so we're gonna go out onto the balcony now. Get nice and bright. It's a nice hot January day. This is like one of my favorite places to sit.
Temporary.
Okay. Can you stop? I'm not looking that way.
Oh.
And you can sit out here and eat dinner. All right, let's put this way so I don't drop my phone. Let's see, where are we?
Hollywood Studios.
Yeah. Kind of all over here. We'll be able to see the fireworks tonight if we're here for them. Right over there.
See both.
We'll be able to see Epcot too. Yeah.
They cleaned up
Absolutely.
the lake too. It's all
Yeah, it looks nice.
finished now.
So all we got to do is go that way and around. Can't get a picture of the pool and stuff from this side because I don't like the pool view anyway. I like the park view. All right, everybody.
We're here for the park.
We are here. Birthday weekend celebration. Friends.
Disney
Parks. Disney family. Just a good old time. So hope you guys have a great day. Bye. I think my hand's in front of the. It was. Hi.